your girl Sophie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very different kind of makeup video. So I'm going to be getting ready, but I'm also going to be on live on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me, girl, because I do things like this. And I'm going to be answering questions on live, talking to you guys while doing my makeup here on YouTube. So I'm super excited. If you're not following me already, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I have quite a few different Instagram accounts. I have 3 actually. Yeah, I run 3 different accounts. Be sure to follow me so you're up to date with things that I do. I want to start doing more fun videos like this, being on live, talking to you guys, chatting with you guys, and beating my face, because that's my favorite part about this. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. We are live. Everyone say hi to YouTube. So everyone from live is saying hi. Cassie, Flawless, Itzel, Millie, Nikki, all of these beautiful people on here saying hi. And then some others are joining right now. So we're on live right now, and the live people on live voted. I'm gonna put you guys back in my cup. So people on live voted that they wanted to see the Kim K inspired look. So today I'm going to be using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. And this is actually for people that have extra dry skin. So it's right down my lane because your girl has a Sahara Desert for her face. I'm telling you guys, when I went to get my skin type tested, this lady that works at Kale's, I think that's how you pronounce it, she was in shock by how dry my skin was. She was like, girl, you need to be drinking water or something. And honestly, I think the reason why my skin is so dehydrated is first because I don't drink enough water, and second, I'm Cuban and I always wake up to café con leche, and coffee is actually really bad for you and it really dehydrates you. So still want to keep drinking my café con leche though. So for my brows, I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics Dual Brow Pencil, and I have been loving this pencil. It's double-sided. I just got my eyebrows done today, so your girl's going to have them nice brows for this video. I'm just brushing up the brows. Someone asked, what foundation would you recommend for an everyday look? Something that I personally use for an everyday look is, I actually think it's L'Oreal. It's the Cushion Foundation. I really like that one. So I'm literally just filling in my brows, going with my natural shape. It's Erica Said Best Drugstore Bronzer, and thank you for watching my videos. Actually, I haven't tried the Physicians Formula, but I've heard that one is really, really good. One that I personally like from the drugstore is this one from NYC that's really good, that I used to have back in the day when I first started makeup. What's your favorite full coverage foundation? I'm loving the Estee Lauder Double Wear, especially for my clients. Love it. Now I'm going to be getting the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to just carve out my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and carve on top and then just blend away with my beauty blender. It's crazy how in YouTube videos everything seems so much faster than what it is, but it actually takes forever to film a video. Like, I don't even film one side of my eye while I'm doing a YouTube video, but since you guys are on live, you see everything and it takes forever. I take hours to film. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. This is my absolute favorite. And I'm running out. I have to go buy some more. And you see how it just leaves a very nice white base. So you can start with the shadows. Well, actually, I'm going to set it. I always set this. I'm going to be grabbing the shade Dream. And this is just a matte white. I absolutely love it for just setting the base. And I'm going to be picking up a brush and just setting all of this. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I bought this not too long ago and I'm obsessed with this freaking palette. It's so amazing. And I'm going to be getting this shade right over here. And I'm picking up a Morphe M511 brush. And I'm going to use this to just swipe this across my entire lid. I'm just going to use this to go back and forth on the crease. Okay, so I did a nice orange base and I used the Jaclyn Hill palette, a nice orangey transition. Now I'm going to just go straight in to a dark color. I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics 13 brush. It's a fluffy pointed brush, and this is what I'm going to use to really define my crease. So I'm going to go in back to the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to get this kind of like orangey red tone brown, and I'm going to use this to literally define the crease. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and keep defining that. Need to do a class. Girl, I did one class and it really went well. If you guys didn't know, for my YouTube viewers, I did a makeup class in Miami and it went amazing, and I can't wait to do my next one. I have to start planning it. A darker brown. I'm going to be getting this dark brown right over here. I'm going to go ahead with the same brush, and this is what's really going to define this look, this darker brown. And I'm kind of just sticking this into the center of the crease. Palette, we're gonna grab this gold right over here. Super gone, almost done, but that's a Makeup Geek shadow. Now I'm going to go ahead and get some spray and just really spray this shadow to make it nice and metallic. And I'm basically going to be running this all throughout my lid. This is why I love Makeup Geek. Look how pigmented. Same thing, I'm using this to really carve out. Go ahead and grab a little bit of that shimmer from that Jaclyn Hill palette. This kind of shimmer right over here to define my brow bone. And then the inner corner. This is my favorite liner, and I love using it on my clients, for myself. Just this is, to me, it's the easiest way to do winged eyeliner, and I like using the brush that it comes with just because it's cute and it works for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I always like to start lining the lash line, and then I'll do the line of the wing, and then I'll connect. That's how I personally like to do it. Everyone is different. Okay, so we have the line. The line is there. Now we're gonna do the liner. So I'm gonna start with at the tip, the edge right over there. Perfect. Now once I got that flick right there, I'm gonna go get some more liner and I'm gonna connect the flick to the line right there in the middle. Does that make sense? Do you see how I connected it? So you see that empty space, right, the empty space right there? I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in. And then also I'm going to be doing this eye off camera just so I can save my battery, but you guys on my live will see it. Okay, so I am back. I just finished this liner off of camera. Everyone from my live saw it. Now I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the liner and then apply some lashes. So I got a black eyeshadow and I'm using a pencil brush, and I'm just going to... So now, as you can see, I'm kind of connecting the winged eyeliner to the end. So what this does is it just really defines the eyes. So I'm using these ELO Cosmetics lashes in the style Becca. And these are brand new. I have not used them, so I have to cut them to my size. I hate doing this because I always feel like I'm going to cut them too short. I just applied some glue. I'm using the dual glue, and I'm going to let that just dry for a few seconds before placing that onto my lash. First, I like to just get it right in the middle, and then I connect the sides. Just a quick tip on how to apply lashes. Primer. Now, primer is so important. I can't stress this enough. I don't know how many clients I see daily literally tell me they don't wear any primer, and it breaks my heart. Basically, if you guys don't know what primer is, it's meant to obviously make your makeup last, but truly what it is a barrier between your skin and your foundation. I'm using the Makeup Forever, and I'll probably mix it with the Wet n Wild because this is kind of too much of a stick for me. Get a little bit of this Wet n Wild. We're gonna shake this up because it's been a minute since I've used this. I'm a full coverage type of gal, you know? Okay. Do you see? Just look at that. Look at just how it covered everything. Love, love, love. We're gonna brighten up these under eyes because they're looking a little cray-cray. So I'm gonna be using the LA Girl. We're gonna go a little, we're going ham. I'm gonna do the forehead, the nose, the chin. We looking crazy or whatever. To go in and snatch my face. Okay, we're gonna do this, blending this, okay, up into my hairline. I know it looks crazy right now. Believe me, makeup is a process. It has to look real ugly before looking real, real pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything together. So I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I like to use a brush. This is the M501. And I'm just pressing it into my skin. Joelle said wig. Well, honey, wig right back. I am going to go ahead and set my face using the Sephora powder. Love this powder. Absolutely amazing, affordable, and full coverage. Honestly, my dream is to be just like Makeup by Mario. That is goals, inspiration, and motivation right there. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be using the one and only Holy Bronzer because it's amazing and it's just holy grail. So I'm going to go ahead and use this on the areas that I cream contoured. Basically everywhere. Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer because this is a little bit more darker and a little less warm tone. This is more of a cool tone, which is going to be good for making that nose look snatched, honey. We don't have a snatched nose today. I'm going to be using the Morphe M516 brush, and we're just going to make a really funky face. You know, just like if you just smelled something really bad, but you don't want to make it look like you're smelling something really bad, like, okay. And then for blush today, I'm going to be using the Bahama Mama Take a Dip. It's like a bronzer blush. This is more Kim K-like. And this is just a darker, deeper blush. Now we're going to spray our face so we can put highlighter, my favorite part. Okay, ready? Also, this helps with making it less powdery. So the person who asked about me putting a lot of powder on, this is also what I use to help me look less powdery. Not necessarily cakey, but powdery. If you didn't know, I have my own cosmetics brand, Sophie Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using, as you can see, it's Hit Pan, my favorite shade, and this is Desert Sage. So I'm going to go ahead and picking up the Morphe M510 brush. You're going to see how we're going to glow to the gods today. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Don't even. Facetune wear. Facetune wear. For liner, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay pencil in Perversion. This is literally the blackest black. I'm going to apply that into my waterline. I'm going to be going back to just another burnt kind of orange right over here. This is from Makeup Geek. It's called Cocoa Bear. And I'm using that to smudge out the liner. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some lipstick. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Ransom. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade, a beautiful nude shade. And let's go ahead and put this on. It's so creamy. It is finally complete. This is the full look. I am talking to my YouTube camera right now, not to my live, but for my YouTube viewers right now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me, as well as being on my live with me. If you guys watched my live, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't, make sure to follow me on Instagram so you are updated and notified when I do more lives like this right now, because I'm still on live. I've literally been on live for 2 hours, but you know. Okay, my phone is going to break. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to click that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you are notified every time that I upload. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next video. Bye!